everyone, good day. In this video, I'll show you about the analytics section of our platform, TelebuSocial. So once we log into the platform, the fifth option over here is the analytics section. Here, the first part we get the overview. Here in a shortcut, how you can track your bot and everything. The first tab, overview tab, is just for the shortcut. The second tab we have over here is the bot engagement. Now, what do you mean by bot engagement? Bot engagement shows us the numbers of the accounts or the people who are active in our chatbot on our WhatsApp, or else the new number who has come to our WhatsApp number. So here we have on our right hand corner, we can customize, we can filter the timeline. I'll choose last 30 days. We can choose the active user. So in the last 30 days, my WhatsApp number has 54 active users. The total interaction made with the chatbot was 1573, and the average interaction is 29.13. You can get an idea about how your number is performing and how actively customers are engaging with your WhatsApp bot. Okay. The second graphical representation we get is the ratio of new user and active user. Now, new user are the user which has never contacted to your WhatsApp number. They are new to your WhatsApp number. Okay, and active users are those users who has already contact to your WhatsApp number and are regular, like they are not a new number to the WhatsApp. The number has already interacted with the WhatsApp. So on 6th of April, they were new user. Okay, in 9th of April, again no active, no new user. If you come on 15th or 18th, there is one new user and 6 active users. Okay, there were so many 6 active users and 1 new user to the number. Okay, so this is, you can see the whole overview of the platform of new versus active users. Now, second we have is button action. Okay, now again we can see over here is how many people clicked on the button. We for example, 147 people clicked on yes. Okay, 83 people on clicked on single upload. Okay, 65 people clicked on no. Okay, and we can see on the representation in grouped and stack wise. Okay, you can see and customize how many clicks were there on your WhatsApp number. And the last thing over is most frequent messages. Now you can see what was the most frequent messages that your chatbot got on that number. From here you can see the data of that. The third tab we have is bot responses. Again, we can filter this as per the client's requirement, or you can filter it as per your requirements. So the first we have bot interaction. The total number of interaction with the bot, it is 1573. Then the total question asked to the bot, that was 149. So out of 149, the bot answered 107 answered, total question answered, and the bot could not answer 42 questions. So here is again a graphical representation in a ratio, that unanswered and answered ratio. Okay, so this will help you to improvise your bot and see, like on 22nd there is 10 answered and 2 unanswered. You can go to the 22nd chats of your bot and you can see what is an issue and what your bot is unable to answer, and then you can customize and edit your bot accordingly. So this will help you to improve your chat. After that we have user retention analysis. So here you can see the retention ratio of your customer. For example, I am a new customer of yours and I have contacted you for the first time on a WhatsApp number on 6th of May 2024. Okay, so here, for example, you can take an example that I am a new client to you and I have contacted your WhatsApp number for the first time on 17th of April 2024. Now here you can see that two people. Now one is me, one more person can be. There were total two new numbers that have contacted your WhatsApp number. So on this dashboard shows a 7-day report of the user retention, means how many new users came back to your WhatsApp account on the next 7 days. So on the first day, means on 18th, again 1 people out of 2 came to your WhatsApp number and interacted with the bot. On day 2, again one of people came and interacted with the bot. Okay, then on day 3 we have 0%, means no one came to your bot. Okay, you can have a retention on how many new users are coming to your bot and what is the retention rate. So this is all about user retention. The next category we have is live chat summary. Now what is live chat summary? Again we can filter out the timeline. Okay, you can also download a detailed report for this. Now live chat summary is related to your live agents. Okay, for example, the bot is running and after some time, after the bot is done, the bot is asking, do you want us to connect to your agent? Now the customers press yes. So as soon as the customers press yes, the chat is transferred to an agent. Now this is where you can see your agent's performance. Now on this number, in the last 30 days, there were 42 inbound requests. Okay, then the resolution percent is 100%. The first response SLA, that is service level agreement, is 50%. The resolution service level agreement is 69%. The average resolution time for each interaction is 19 minutes and average response in minute is less than 1 minute. That's showing 0. Okay, again you can see a grouped and a stack customized graphical representation over here. The ratio is with incoming and resolved conversation. For example, on 22nd April, there were 1 incoming conversation and there was 1 resolved conversation. On 2nd of May, it is 7 incoming resolution and 6 resolved. So you can see how many incoming and how many resolved conversation was on that day. Now again, as I told, we can also download this report in 1 click, so the data will be exporting. Okay, again, if we go down, there are many graphical representation in web versus WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, we got 30 requests for the live chat, and from web we got 4 agent requests. Now green color is handle. The 44 chats were handled. No chats are in engaging or requested or assigned or pending or unhandled stage. Now this is inbound request by wait time. So 31 all chats were less than 15 seconds wait time. Okay, now again a resolution. Now 4 chats were resolved by web and 40 chats were resolved by WhatsApp. Now we have inbound request by resolution mode. Now all automated and agent. So all the chat will resolved by agent. No chat was automatically resolved by the system. So the WhatsApp has a category that if the agent is not replying or not resolving the conversation, the chat gets automatically resolved by after 24 hours. You can customize after 24 hours, 3 days, 4 days. You can customize, but minimum is 24 hours. Now here it shows resolution request by inbound request by resolution time. So 28 chats were resolved within 1 hour and 1 chat was resolved within 24 to 48. requests. Okay, the last category we have over is inbound request by category. Now you can differentiate your chat by category. Categories are nothing, you can assign different agents for your different needs. Now my chat has different agents. Now you can see how many requests were to Farooq, how many requests were to Daniel, how many requests were to Rajshekhar, how many requests were for others, how many for a default, and how many for Sudhanshu. You can see a detailed report, agent-wise report. Okay, so once you click on download, your download report will be downloaded in a CSV format. You can Excel format, you can open the report. So if you open a report, you will see a detailed report of a month of how did your agent perform. You can see the username, the user ID, the phone number, the feedback value, what was the feedback given by the customer, if any. If the customer is having, the user is having a email, the email will capture automatically. Then if we have the last conversation, you can see what was the last conversation start time. Okay, then you can see last update, you can see the last conversation time. Then you can see the current status of that chat. It is resolved, it is engaging, it is unresolved. You can see all the status over here. Okay, then you can see the category. Category is nothing but the agent that is assigned to that chat. Okay, you can see which agent was assigned to that chat. And then channel name. What was in which channel it was in, it's WhatsApp, or Telegram, or Instagram, Facebook, web. Okay, you can see. You can also see the time spent on the chat in minutes. Okay, in this chat, how many time was spent. Then what was the time we resolved the chat. So after 1 minute, after 22 3 minutes. Okay, so if is the resolution actually a breach or not, you can see over here also. Then what was the first response time of the chat in minutes? So these chats were responded within 0.38 minute. Okay, then what is the current agent email ID? Email ID of the agent will also be shown over here. Then which agent resolved the conversation, you can see over here. Then was the first response actually a breach, yes or no? The system will give you automatically as per you have set in the bucket. Then who was the first response agent? What was the time assigned to the agent, and what is the time in request? Okay, so you can see all the detailed reports once you click on the download button. Moving forward, we have agent performance. So that was the full team performance, like chat summary. It was a chat summary. And now if you want to get per agent wise performance, there is a tab called agent performance. Again, there is a download button. You can download the reports, and again you can filter the time. Now here you can filter by category, you can filter by channel, whatever channel you want. You can also filter by date. I want to filter by date. I'll choose last 30 days. If I want to download agent quality report, I can download the report over here. Now there are 3 parameters over here. That is quality, productivity, and performance. Okay. So now the team agent, okay, the team had total 44 chat participated. And then chat was transferred 10, chat resolved by 44, chat resolved by agent by 28, chat resolved by end users was 1, chat auto resolved were 15. The chat unresolved were none, and user feedback were none. So here you can see the team report and then per agent report. So for example, Amandeep has participated in 9 chats. Amandeep has transferred 4 chats, resolved 5 chats, chat resolved by different agents was 4, and chat auto resolved by 1. You can have a detailed report of how many chat your team and agent perform. Now second aspect we have is productivity report. Here you can see your team report of chat assigned, chat agent replies, first response SLA, resolution SLA, and so on. And you can also see again agent-wise report for that. The third parameter we have is performance. Now in performance, again, you see the parameter what comes under performance, that is average response time, average resolution time, etc. You can see the full team report, and going down you can see the full agent report. Okay, so if we download the report, it is again download the CSV and Excel format. If you open the thing, you can see all the teams and agent, the total chat handled by team and the different agent. You can see the chat transfer, chat resolved by agent, chat resolved by end users, chat auto resolved, chat unresolved, user feedback. Then what we have is the last part is the conversation overview. Basically, it's a date-wise representation. You can see, you can also, and from the down, you can also choose the conversation, or like you want to see 10 results, 25 results, 50 results, or up to 100 results. You can customize over here, and you can see on which date, how many assigned chat were assigned, how many were resolved, how many were transferred. You can see a date-wise report of the conversation from this tab. Now last is the feedback report. Now if you have a feedback notes after the chat, you want to have a feedback, like please rate the conversation. So all the feedback report will come over here for bot and for agent. Again, you can also filter it by the timeline, and you can also download the agent report. So this is all about analytics part. Thank you.